Hello and welcome to the course on Bare Metal Embedded Programming with Atmega 328 Microcontroller. I am Aravinda Verma, your instructor for the course. In today's lesson, we shall discuss about the in-circuit programming and add the in-circuit programmer to the base circuitry built in the previous lesson. I hope you must be ready with the development board. The Atmega 328 microcontroller supports in-circuit programming. In-circuit programming, also known as in-system programming, is a feature which allows the microcontroller to be programmed while being installed in the production system. The advantage of the feature is the microcontroller need not be plugged out of final product for firmware upgrades. However, a hardware component called in-circuit programmer is required to program the microcontroller. USB ASP is one of the in-circuit programmers used to program the AVR microcontrollers. The programmer is used to flash the bootloader. Bootloader is a special program which resides in the boot section of the flash memory. We shall discuss about the bootloader in detail in subsequent lesson. It is also used to program the fuse and lock bytes and EEPROM. The USB ASP has a USB connector which plugs it into the USB port of the development PC, and the 10-pin header is used to connect it to the development board. Out of the 10 pins, only 6 pins are used for the connection. While programming the microcontroller in the development board, the power is supplied by the programmer. The USB ASP has a jumper setting to choose between 3.3 volt and 5 volt of power supply. As we are using 5 volt of power supply for our board, so the jumper must be set accordingly. Now, let's wire the in-circuit programmer to the development board built in the previous lesson. Connect the programmer to the microcontroller as shown in the schematics. The pin number 2 and 10 are connected to the power rail of the development board. The in-circuit programmer uses the in-circuit serial programming protocol to flash the microcontroller. In-system serial programming protocol is a serial peripheral interface protocol which uses 4 data lines, namely MOSI, reset, SCK, and MISO between the programmer and the microcontroller. MOSI connects to the pin number 17 and reset connects to the pin number 1, that is reset of the microcontroller. SCK goes to the pin number 19 and MISO goes to pin number 18 of the microcontroller. Take due care to wire the programmer correctly. The USB ASP Windows driver must be installed on the development PC before we can start using the programmer. I hope you must have installed the driver with the help of handout provided in the tool setup lesson. I have provided a handout describing the wiring of the in-circuit programmer to the base circuitry step by step. Use it while you rig up your development board. With this, we come to the end of this lesson. I hope you must have learned something new and enjoyed the lesson.